So I've got this GPS bracket which I got from AliExpress, and this is just going to be some fitting instructions because it didn't actually come with any. So yeah, I'm going to fit this, record it, and hopefully it's easy. I'm pretty sure it is. It's 4 screws. I think the hardest part will be getting all that crap off. Okay, next this comes out. This little plastic bit just pops out. Really easy. And next, these 2 white panels pop off. There's 2 screws up here. 1, 2. Okay, and next there is a screw here, and then the same on this side here. And now the screen is loose. You can see the connector here. Just pop that out. On the back here you've got 4 screws. 2 down here are quite awkward to get to, but you can get to them. There you go, dropped one, of course. The screen should just pop off. This unit actually slots behind here, which is quite fiddly because this doesn't go anywhere, so you have to move this out of the way. So let's try that now. It is actually really annoying. Right, and then that can go back down and then out of here. Now we're in action. Right, there we go. So we're going to connect the screen back up. Click. And then 2 more on the bottom, which I'll do off camera because it's really fiddly. Finally, this is now back on. Screw there, screw down there, screw there, screw down there. Now we just need to do the reverse to get everything back on. There we go. I quite like that. It's very clean. And we'll actually be replacing this at some point with a dedicated GPS unit, so it's nice to have something secure. Drop me a like, drop me a subscribe. Cheers.